So let's go ahead and see what these look like. Oh man. Hey, what up guys, Pabs Moneybags here, back with another sneaker unboxing. Today we have quite the sneaker, you guys. This one, probably one of the best shoes of 2018, at least in my opinion. This is one of the best shoes in 2018. And with that said, today we have the LeBron times Nike Lab times John Elliott Icon sneaker that released back in August, to be more specific, August 4th. The funny story behind these is that I was actually able to cop them from John Elliott's website when they first released, but I was in Mexico and I think John Elliott only did shipping within the US. So since I wasn't gonna be able to do an unboxing for you guys, I figured I would just, sell them, because if I can't, the thing about me now is, if I can't do an unboxing for the shoe, point is, I didn't keep them. I ended up selling them because it just, if I couldn't do an unboxing right away, it just bothers me. So whatever. We have the black Nike lifestyle box. As you can tell, we have had one in the channel before, which was with the Vapor Max Chukka Slip. Let me go ahead and put that there. Throw this one away. And actually, I was able to recop these. I totally forgot to tell you. I copped them from my boys over at Sivasdescalzo in Spain. They restocked them a couple days ago, and I was lucky enough to find a size 11, so I just copped it. But the only thing that bothers me, there you go, like I was telling you, size 11, and then you have LeBron times John Elliott Icon QS. Like I was saying, the only thing that bothers me about these is that they retail for $250, but they're peaking. I ended up paying $302 with 8 cents total for these. So yeah, so I ended up paying like $50 more for retail, from the retail price, because either way the shipping was free. When you have a black Nike box and you have Nike branding on the paper, you know it's gonna be something else than just your regular sneakers. So let's go ahead and see what these look like. Oh man. Yo, these slab harder than my mom, bro. Oh, no way, dude. No way, dude. But yeah, John Elliott designed these with the idea of LeBron walking into an arena, like a really key game or whatever, and he wanted LeBron to not only feel confident, but also comfortable in whatever he was wearing. So I guess that's where the air ball, which actually was taken from the LeBron 8 model and put into this one just as an homage to that. Oh, you gotta be, did I even turn it on? This is one of the most stressful video shoots I've ever done. Like, I don't know why. See what I'm talking about? Anyways, these were also inspired by that one chase down block by LeBron on the finals. Oh, these got a little smell to them too. It's not like your regular sneaker smell. So let's just go ahead and start taking a look at the details. So the one I noticed the most is the Nike swoosh over here on the toe box. Reminds me a lot of the Presto. The Prestos all have the Nike swoosh in the front as well. But with the translucent upper, I think it looks pretty dope on this one. Then you got this black line pattern going throughout the edge of the upper on both the inside and the outside, also towards the heel over here. I want to say that it looks kind of 3D in certain areas. Like these lines look like on the surface, and then you see like part of the inside over here, the upper, kind of like there's another layer. Again, really interesting. A lot of materials, a lot of different concepts going on this shoe. Do my little transparent test for you guys. Hey, what's up? What's up, boy? So the laces are a tad different as well, a little more high quality, and then the tips of the laces are also like a harder plastic with the black tone to keep the color scheme going, I mean. Then over here on the tongue you have a Nike logo or Nike branding right in front of the tongue, and then you have more of that material that they do the transparent upper with, but there's something on the back over here on the tongue that it doesn't make it fully transparent. But then once that piece of material is over with, you have the transparent look once again over here in the rest of the tongue. And then here on one of the lace hoops, you have the same line pattern over here. You have it running towards, or in between the laces, I mean. But then going towards the heel, there's really no detail. Once again, the line pattern kind of continues over here. And then the leather heel loop, and I just noticed that there's another layer underneath it, and you can peek it through here. It opens up. There's the transparent stuff. So you have this transparent or clear outsole, but then over here in the middle, right in the middle of the shoe, you have an opening that exposes the air bubble. I think this is a pretty interesting detail because it gives you another perspective to just this over here. And then once again, the air bubble that was found on the LeBron 8, it's also on this shoe, and I think that's the most appealing thing to me from the entire shoe. But right now, let's go ahead and take a look at the insole, which all the insole says is LeBron times John Elliott, and it goes in a circle that sits right below your heel. But then you can really peek the leather. I hope I can show you guys some close-ups. You can really peek the leather going all the way into the insole. Definitely top 10 of this year's sneaker list, at least for me. Again, huge fan of the transparent upper that we have seen on the Zoomfly SP, the React Element 87. But right now, let's go ahead and see how these look on feet. But anyways guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to keep on watching more sneaker unboxings. I apologize if the video today was not the best. It's just shooting the video was I don't know why. I'm gonna be straight up with you guys, you know. It's just I hope you enjoyed it. But anyways, once again, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are amazing. Best money bags out.